Okay, I am at my rest stop in Belgium, somewhere in Belgium. Um, it's near a town that starts with N. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Oh, it's called Spy. That's right. This is Spy Services. Weird. I had like unknown balls of meat in mystery red sauce with some fried chips. Um, it was okay. I had a very small tea. It wasn't very good. That's probably something I will have to get used to. But yeah, when I arrived, I was very stiff and not in a good way. And I was very bored because I hate motorways, but the weather is really nice. Finally, but it's not exactly warm, but it's nice. And I think what I will do is I don't want to stay here too long. I don't want to have another cup of tea, even though that one was quite small. I may buy some water when I get petrol and see if they have any ibuprofen, because the constant buffeting from the motorway speed winds was sort of giving me a bit of a headache. But yeah, the trip is actually going really nicely. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in my hotel in Luxembourg, and I want to go outside and sort of see what's around, but I feel trashed. I've driven all the way from Calais with just like a stop for food. I don't feel like that's a whole lot long. It's maybe 450, 500 kilometers. That must be more than that. Yeah, some distance. It was a good solid 4 hours of riding. But yeah, I'm really tired. And I do have a little bit of a headache. So what I might do is go and find a pharmacy and get some ibuprofens and just have an early night and take a look at the city in the morning. Yeah, but I had a good day, even though it was a bit boring on the motorway. I have some nicer roads planned for tomorrow, and then I will end up in Waldshut in southern Germany, and I will be staying there for a while, until Thursday morning. Yeah, cool. Hey, I didn't make a video when I was in Luxembourg because just as I got out, it started raining, and there were some workmen in the street. So this is the start of today's video. I'm in Strasbourg in Place Gutenberg. I've basically stopped here for some food because I'm quite hungry. And it's been quite a nice trip. I took motorways for a little bit of it, and then I had Google avoid toll roads. And I came down a really, really nice road through this bit of France. Yeah, it was really, really nice. It was mountainous, like really deep valleys with lots of trees, and the higher parts, the uplands, were just open, rolling farms. No fences. I really like that about Europe. There's a lot less just fenced inness. It's all open. It's really nice. But yeah, Good trip today. Although I did get hailed on. That is perhaps a bad omen for my later travels in Switzerland. But we'll see. I'm gonna have some food. Hey, so here I am in South Germany. I'm gonna be here for a few days. I'm staying with a couple of friends in a nice apartment, and I had a really cool journey yesterday. The last part was pretty scary, but I don't regret my decision. I took what looked like a really nice road, and it was absolutely beautiful. But also the side of the road was snowy, and it was -2, and the road itself was wet, and that is scary when the sun has gone down and you don't know the road. And you're on a bike. I'm trying not to point this at the sun. But yeah, that was really good. This part of Germany is absolutely beautiful. Like the sun was setting as I came over that beautiful road, and the scenery was just totally jaw-dropping. So I'm gonna head into the village and see what's around and sample some of the local area, because I've only ever experienced German cities. So it'll be nice to experience like a little town. Cool. I'm in Basel. I came up here this morning and promptly got lost. Someone was trying to phone me, which interrupted my sat nav. And also, Basel is not an easy place to navigate. But it's really nice here. The sun is lovely. I've had a very relaxing week visiting my friends. I'm going to be here in Basel for most of the day working. I think it's only like 3 more hours to do, but yeah, it's quite nice. I'm enjoying this. This weekend I will be spending a little time in the area around Basel. So tomorrow I'll be nearby, but I won't actually be in the city itself. And then on Saturday I'm going to drive down to Milan via Liechtenstein, and from there on to Rome via Florence. So that's going to be really cool. But for today, I'm just going to enjoy this nice sun. I'm going to find somewhere I can sit outside and still have Wi-Fi. And just chill and do what little work that I've got to do.